Hello guys, today I want to talk about the cooling setup and fan selection for this PC build. Because the low-profile GPU will sit right at the bottom of the case, like this, I'm planning to place two fans underneath it. The only question is, how thick can the fans be? The manual says you can fit two 25mm fans under the GPU, but honestly, I'm a bit skeptical. That might be possible with some ultra-slim GPUs, but probably not with this one. I've got both 15mm and 25mm thick fans on hand, so we're going to test them out and see what actually fits. Moving up to the top of the case, it supports either 190mm slim fan or 280mm slim fans, which should help exhaust hot air efficiently. I also have these tiny fans for the rear exhaust. Will be installed like this. Technically, the case supports up to 3 rear fans. But again, I'm a bit concerned about clearance, especially around the CPU power cable. If it gets in the way, I'll just install 2. For the CPU cooler, I'm using this Jonesbow HP600, and I'm swapping out the stock 15mm fan with this Noctua 25mm industrial fan. So the total height comes to 76 to 77mm, which still within the clearance of 88mm, which leaves 10mm for airflow to avoid air turbulence and avoid high pitch noise. Using a Noctua industry fan is definitely a bit loud, but it can go up to 3000 RPM. I'll use it for testing temperature differences at various RPMs, and once I have the data, I'll switch to a quieter fan. As for the cooler itself, I'm currently using a replacement for the Thermalright AXP120X67. It's a 66mm tall cooler with 6 heat pipes, just like the X67. So the performance should be quite similar. I did see an article claiming the X67 can handle CPUs with up to 200 watts TDP. Personally, I'm a bit doubtful about that, but that's exactly what we're going to find out in this test.